Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how a locksmith is coding a new key for 2008 Altima. In addition, you can see where the key fob slot is located. This slot is important in case you want to add new keys or start the vehicle when the key fob battery is dead. Please like this video and comment below if you have any questions. Go ahead.
2008 Nissan Altima, we're going to program a new fob for the vehicle. The hazard lights have to be on. There's a programming slot here. I'm going to slide it in there.
We are connected to the OBD of the vehicle. This is how the machine communicates with the vehicle. Pretty easy. This is also the slot where you put the key in case the battery died to start the vehicle. How long it takes?
A minute. Alright, we're going to turn the ignition on and then let the machine communicate.
The machine will tell you what to do.
Then we're going to turn the key off and on a few times. Alright, so we're going to look for a flashing red light 5 times in the dashboard.
Right there.
Right there. And that's it, the key's programmed.
Let's take a look. And that's it. Thank you for watching.